Hello, I'm the director of Words Unspoken, and in this video I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of all the technologies we used during production, including post-production. I'll be showing how we integrated various softwares, hardwares, and online sources to make this project come true. As we can see, I'm opening up the tripod and ensuring that it's leveled, which is crucial for maintaining balance and creating a steady image. Here I show how we can adjust different parts of the tripod to get different angles. This includes lowering and raising the bar, as well as adjusting the angle to get tilts. Here we can see the bottom of the camera as well as the top of the tripod. If we screw it on, then we can ensure that the camcorder stays steady for long takes. This piece of equipment integrated perfectly with our setup to ensure that the production continued. As we can see, the camera is steady and we can move the tripod as we need with the camcorder staying put. If we turn on the camcorder, we can see an easy way to create a pan from left to right or right to left. This was used in Words Unspoken in the opening scene and establishing shot. Here I show you how to use the camcorder. You turn it on by opening the camcorder and removing the camera cover so that the lenses are not blocked. If we pause on this frame, we can see a couple different things, such as the battery in the top right corner, as well as the mode in the top left corner. These are crucial to know when filming. The camcorder was our primary tool for capturing raw footage. As we continue, we see a big red button, which when we click, the top left corner turns red, which lets the user know that the film is being recorded. If we click it again, the recording stops. If we click mode and go to playback, then we'll see our video. By clicking OK, it will begin. Once it's finished, we can click mode to go back to recording. This was crucial when we recorded our film because we were able to go back and forth and make sure all of our clips were good. Here is a recording device that we used when filming. We laid this out to ensure that we would be able to record all audio seamlessly. Here we can see an area for our SD card to be put in so that all of our recordings are saved. We see the record button, the stop button, the pause and play button, and then the skip back and forward button. These were helpful when making sure that our recordings were audible. If they weren't able to be heard, then they would be useless in post-production. Finally, this is our editing software, Adobe Premiere Rush. Here we can see us hovering over a clip, and if we scroll left to right, we can see a short preview of the clip. We can click the clip and then next, which takes us to the editing software itself. Here we can slide this bar, which helps us to zoom in on our clips. This was helpful when editing because it allowed us to be precise with our cuts. If we continue to the bottom left corner, we see a button that allows us to open up all the tracks. Furthermore, we see a button that helps separate the audio from the visuals. This was especially helpful when we were editing our flashback scene, because we were able to scroll to the precise parts that needed to be cut. As we can see, everywhere where the sound peaks, we changed the clip. We see ways that we can shorten our clips and extend them. This was helpful when editing as well, because we needed to adjust the lengths to maintain our 2-minute maximum length. If we go back to the bottom left corner, we can join back the audio and the visual, which was also helpful when editing bigger parts. Here is a snipping tool that allowed us to cut the clips wherever we needed. When right-clicking on our mouse, we were able to delete clips as well. This was helpful because we had some shots that ran too long and needed to be adjusted. Here, as we continue snipping the clips, we can see that it was easy to rearrange them. This was especially helpful when creating our flashback, because we needed to ensure that our clips would be mixed up to create a confused tone. All in all, we used many different forms of technology in Words Unspoken. From physical to software types of technology, we were able to make our film perfect. By integrating numerous tools such as a camcorder, tripod, voice recorder, and softwares such as Adobe Premiere Rush, we were able to film and edit seamlessly. When combined, all of these different forms of technologies work together to create a film. Thank you for watching, and I hope this how-to guide helps you create your own film.